Hi everyone, Yifei, your immigration lawyer. We put the grant in immigrant. And today I want to talk to you about the top three mistakes that people have about the green card based process. So the first mistake that people often think of is that if you're married to a US citizen, you can get an automatic 10-year green card. That's not true. USCIS, which is the government in charge of adjudicating these green card applications, recently put in regulation to prevent marriage fraud. And the way they do this is that if you've been married for less than 2 years before you apply for your green card, they can only grant you a conditional green card with a validity period of 2 years. And it's on you to remove that condition after the 2 years by applying for a 10-year green card. So that's number one. Number two is that people think that they can just get married to a U.S. citizen despite their status or how they entered the U.S. and automatically get a green card to absolve all their previous history in the U.S. or violations in the U.S. That's also not true. For example, you have to prove that you came into the U.S. legally through a valid port of entry. You either flew here on a tourist visa, overstayed, and now you're applying for your green card, or you were sponsored here and you came through another visa, and now you're applying for a fan-based petition. You can, however, just come through the border without any proof of entry and then claim for a green card. The process in that situation becomes a lot more complicated. You have to go back to your home country, apply for a waiver to come back, and then you'll be able to get your status legalized. And third, people believe that if you apply for a green card, you don't have to show sufficient financial support. That's also not true. The whole purpose of getting you the immigrant a green card is so that they won't become a public charge and start using public benefits in the U.S. And the way the government prevents you from doing that is that you have to show proof of sufficient financial assets when you're applying for your green card. You do this by showing that your husband or your wife has enough income, 125% or above of the federal poverty guidelines, or you can get a joint sponsor to help in case you become a public charge, that they would take responsibility for you. So these are the top three mistakes that people make, and we want to help you answer all your questions about immigration. Just give us a call and we'll be happy to help you. And launching this month, we're also going to announce a podcast that's specifically geared towards immigrants, helping immigrants learn more about the laws of the U.S. We interview different lawyers in different practice areas and ask them how they are helping immigrants. So again, Yifei, your immigration lawyer, look forward to helping you. Thank you.